Learners of leadership skills. Today I would like to talk to you on an important topic, innovation. What are the principles of innovation? What are the sources for innovation? What are the obstacles for innovation? Now, what is innovation? Innovation is basically an unexpected, effective solution to a persisting problem. It actually encompasses entire business system. It is not just for product alone, much beyond the product. It consistently changes the rules of the game. That is innovation. It's not a consequence of moment of brilliance. It's a process, and it requires integrative approach. That is combination of different functions coming together. Fruit of that coming together is innovation, and it occurs at boundaries where the organization meets customers, suppliers, competitor. That's where the innovation occurs. Innovation is global, innovation is open, innovation is collaborative, and innovation is also scalable. But it requires much more than knowledge. It requires passion, it requires insights, it requires energy, it requires persistence, it requires commitment, it requires hard work, it requires focus, it requires purposeful work. That is what is innovation. Now let me talk to you what are the principles leading to innovation. Number one is analyze the market opportunities, for which you must go out, you must look around, ask questions, listen to them. Look also at the potential users, look at their experience, look at their values, look at their needs. So, this is the major principle. Now let me elaborate what are the sources for innovation. First one is unexpected occurrences in the market. It could be success of a product or it could be failure of a product. Now what do you learn from these successes and failures? Particularly failure, you may dismiss it, you may disregard it, you may resent it. No. Analyze it professionally. That is the first source. Second source is process needs. If customers are looking for integrated process like what happened in the 108 emergency system, we gave an integrated process where sensing the emergency, reaching the emergency and carrying the emergency integrated as SRC process. Same way when we were supplying fragrance to Wipro, we saw in the factory when the workers were lifting the 210 kilos, the way they were rolling the drums, we could see their difficulties and designed 100 kg steel drums where we have also provided the rings around it so that it doesn't get damaged, it can be lifted easily. Third source is industry and market changes. Like in Simrise where I was CEO, because of market changes, we introduced a key account management concept. I'm talking in 1994. And also an application lab where we can make the end products of our customers. Demographic changes, basically lifestyles, income levels and rural urban changes, all that led to in the last 20 years, so many retail chains, so many malls, so many cars, not just Fiat and Ambassador which were there. Now look at Hyundais and Hondas, and then comes the food chains. Look at how many food chains you have got. And then of course the low cost airlines, whether it is SpiceJet, whether it is Indigo and you name. All these were introduced because of demographic changes. Fifth source of information is knowledge in terms of new systems, new technology, and also in terms of needs of potential users. That knowledge led to innovation. Last part I want to share with you what are the obstacles to innovation. If you look at external obstacles, basically government, their policies, their regulations. Whereas internal, organization culture itself, the culture is not supporting innovation and it is non-entrepreneurial, where you have to also accept risks, accept failures, and you have to ensure that there is leadership which encourages innovation. If there is absence of that, that is obstacle. And of course, if limited funds are there, it is obstacle. It has to be abundant, adequate funds. Now, my friends, what I elaborated here is what is innovation, what principles lead to innovation, what kind of sources are available for you to innovate, and the obstacles, what are they, how to overcome. Thank you, my friends. Please practice.